A Monaghan sheep farming family is calling for new dog control measures and financial and mental health supports for farmers who lose their sheep in dog attacks. The family have taken their campaign to Leinster House after their flock was wiped out last year. And this report includes some graphic content.
The first lambs of the season have arrived and sheep farmers Eamon and Niamh Monaghan are slowly rebuilding their flock after a devastating dog attack on their County Monaghan farm last year, their fourth in 5 years.
We got the call that no farmer wants to get to say that there was an attack down here on the farm. And we came down to an absolute scene of carnage. That day we lost 5 sheep in total and 9 unborn lambs. We suffered quite a bit for the next number of weeks and months after it.
Since then, the Monaghan started a campaign for financial and mental health support for farmers and to increase awareness among dog owners. They also want a DNA database for dogs.
If a dog is wrongly accused of being involved in an attack, well, the DNA is there to prove it. And if a dog is involved in an attack, unfortunately, it's there to prove it then as well.
Livestock worrying is a crime and local authorities are responsible for enforcement.
In 2024, nearly 1,600 sheep were attacked by dogs, and of those, almost 500 were killed, maimed or had to be euthanised. And farmers believe those figures could be a lot higher.
We also have a lot of dog attacks that are not reported, and we would encourage every farmer, if you have any dog attack at all, to report every single one of them. And remember, it's not the dog's fault, it's the owner.
The Department of Agriculture said extra funding for dog wardens continues this year and a high-level group set up to consider dog control policy, including around sheep worrying, is also set to give its recommendations shortly. Laura Hogan, RTE News.